What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over the $1,000 Betterment Challenge. Check it out. All right, guys. So as I gather my windows here, so we can go ahead and look over the $1,000 Betterment Challenge. Those of you who don't know what it is, Betterment is like a robo investor. You put your money in there and you give it your goals and how aggressive or conservative you want to be in your investing, and it sets up a portfolio for you. So we're doing that for fun here in the channel every month. It started, what was it, August 1st, I think it was. I believe it was August 1st. I started, day one, put $1,000 in the account, and then it's $100 every month I put back into the account on an automatic deposit, and we're gonna see 12 months later how much money we made or lost in this. So without any further delay, let me grab the window for you. But first, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, so here we are. What we have right now is a total balance of $1,188.77. We have lost $11.23 since day one of opening the account. Not too bad. We did have some, real, like, as soon as I opened the account, really, we were already like kind of red on the spot. It was pretty bad. And we had, about a full month of real nasty market action, overall market action. So not too bad, just being down 11 bucks and change. Because remember, this is big picture thing. We're going to go for a whole year. When the year ends, I don't know, maybe I'll take out the money, do something with it, or maybe I'll add it to my day trading account, or maybe I'll go ahead and continue doing this for another year and see what happens then, right? It all depends what happens. But for now, we're just doing this for 1 year, 12 months, okay? So this is the current balance. I started off with $1,000 and I've added $100 per month. So we're down $11.23. We are on track for the goal, it says here. So let's click view plan, see what that says. Okay. So according to this, we can reach, let's see here, by the target, by that 1 year mark, we'll have a shot at being at $2,050 or $3,056 or even $3,400. Or we can actually be red negative and be at 1,850. Okay. Let's see here. It says here I'm too aggressive because my portfolio I've chose to be, all aggressive and go with just purely stocks, no bonds. See, we're 100% stocks. So this is go big or go home type of a little investment account here. Let's see here. We click plan. Okay, that's where we were. But I want to show you something that I saw that was pretty cool. Open goal forecaster. That's where we were. And that's what'll happen or can happen as time progresses over the next year, and with the current plan, which was a $1,000 initial deposit with follow-up 100 monthly deposits. Okay, so what we have here is an average outcome. It says here an average outcome by September of next year would be 2,497. Okay, so we would have deposited $2,388 in total, and we would be at almost 2,500 bucks, making us $200. Not a lot of money in a year, obviously, but when you think about what it is, this is like a glorified piggy bank. I put some money in it, and every month, I put some money in the piggy bank, and it earns a little bit of interest, and maybe in a year we have a couple $100, maybe a little bit more, maybe we have 500 bucks. It all just depends on what the market does from here to then. Here you have a little calculator, and we can mess around with it and see what type of results we would get as time progresses. So let's say if we did this for 2 years, come on, doesn't want to. If we did it for 2 years, it changes a lot. We have a wider range, and now we have an average outcome of $3,800 with deposits ranging up into the $3,500 range. Okay, it says here we would have a 2.5% chance of making 5,900 bucks. Now, if we did this, let's say you did this and you really took it as a nice savings account for the next 10 years. Your initial deposit $100, $1,000, and then $100 consecutively every 30 days. And we did that for 10 years. Let's see what that looks like. Now, if we did that there, that's not too bad at all. We would end up depositing $13,188, and our average outcome would be $18,872. That's not bad at all. You know, that's actually pretty damn good. Um, if you were really lucky and you had a 2.5% chance of making $41,000 in total, but you know, realistically, it says here you would deposit $13,188, and you would, you know, you get a return there that would total up into the $18,872 area over the course of 5 years, just by depositing $100 a month into the account. Let's see here, activities. So, oh, see, they took an advisory fee of $43, so the fees are already starting to take place. They already took a fee there, and well, what is it? This week on the 28th, we have the $100 deposit. I did receive dividends. Here they are, $2.98. So that more than covers the fee. So we did get $2.98 in dividends, which is pretty cool. It's just to download it. I'm not going to do that now. Let's see the holdings. So 35% of it is in the U.S. stock market, 9.5% U.S. value stocks, large caps. Then we have 7.8 in mids, 6.6 in small caps, and then we have 26% in international development market stocks, as well as 14% in international emerging market stocks, giving us the total, you know, of current value of $1,084. So that's the portfolio right now. Let's see the portfolio analysis. Yeah, so here we are, you know, 100% stocks. Their recommendation, you know, to play it nice and safe is 57% stocks. But I went 100. So you can adjust this as you want. You know, you don't have to do exactly what they say. You can adjust it how you want. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the current update. And we'll see what happens here. We'll see if we make it, you know, to the goal over the next year. I'll do another one of these at the end of next month, October, and we'll see where we're at then. Until then, if you want to check out Betterment, link in the description section below, so you can go ahead, click it, check it out, see what we're doing here and how it all works. Ask any questions, drop them in the comment section below as well. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Smash that like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.